So now we're going to draw the primary wing. So this is our specs. Alright, so the first thing we do is to draw this box construction line. Okay, so we sketch the face of the beam. Use this box to draw a rectangle. Then we make it for construction. Okay. And then we put the dimension. So the height is 80. Alright, and the width is 340. So smart dimension. This is 340. Check. And the height is 80. Check. And then the distance from the lower to this edge is 60. So 60. Alright. And then next 340, and the distance of this and this edge is 240. So this 240. Okay. Now we can do the circle. One here and one on this edge. Okay, so the dimension of this circle is 30. Okay. The dimension of this circle is 4.5. It's very small. Okay. Now this circle must be tangent with this line. So we click tangent. Alright. And then this line and this circle must be also tangent. Okay. So we do the same on the other circle. So this and this line must be tangent. Okay. Then this line is control. So this line tangent. Alright, check. Now we're going to make the spline. So the spline must touch the circle. And then we must touch the other circle. Escape. So this is spline. We can make the dimension. So the degree from this is 5. And then the length of the arrow is 400. So the smart dimension, so this one is 400. Okay, and the degree is 5. Alright. And then the other side. The length of the arrow is, see here, 500, and the degree is 15. So we make it 500. Okay. And then the degree is 15. Okay, now we are going to make the spline tangent to the circle. So we click the line, control, click the circle, then click tangent. Alright. So similarly on this side, we click the circle, control, we click the spline, and should be tangent. Then for the next spline, click on the circle, and then must connect to the other circuit. Alright, skip. So wait for a minute. Alright, now we put the dimension on the lower end. We got 500 and 5 degree also. So smart dimension, this is 500, and then the degree is 5 degree. Alright, so on the other hand, we got 20 degree and 200. So this is 200. Alright, and the degree is 20. So this is 20. Check. Okay, done on the smart dimension. Now we are going to make it tangent also. So this line, control, and this line must be tangent. Okay. So similarly on the bottom, so this circle and this is line must be also tangent. Okay. So the primary wing is already done, the sketch. Now we can extrude to 15 or to 400 mm for a span of 800 mm. So features, extrude boss. So select this circle, select this area, and then select also the circle on the other end. Okay. With clear selected region, we go again. This one, and this one. So it's 400, so check. So once the primary and the secondary wing is already attached or done, then we can mirror the body to make it a complete rear wing of the F1. So mirror. So the face plane, we have to select this face. Alright. And then we want bodies to mirror. So bodies to mirror, select this. And then check. So this is the complete rear wing for our simulation.